A very special good afternoon to all. I'm Ankit. How are you all? Today we discuss our fourth chapter of class 5th Vedic Mathematics. In this chapter, we only discuss how to multiply using Nikhilam Sutra. To know about Nikhilam Sutra, first of all, you have to write the base. What is base? And base equal to 10, 100 or 1000. That means nearer to 10, the number is nearer to 10, 100 or 1000. After that, you have to find the deviation. What is deviation? Deviation is equal to number minus base. Number minus base. That means here number is given 9. Then what is the deviation? That is number minus base. That is base nearer to 10 means base is 10. Here the deviation is negative because base is greater than number. When base is greater than number, the deviation is negative. When number is greater than base, then deviation is positive. Take another example, 11. Base of 11 is also 10. And the deviation of 11 is, number is 11 minus 10. That is plus 1. Now come to the question of our exercise 4.4. The first question is 12 multiplied by, here base is 10. Base is 10 because both numbers are nearer to 10. Because both numbers are nearer to 10. Now write first number and second number. Deviation of 12 is plus 2. How we find? I have already taught you that number minus base, that is deviation, and deviation of 9 is minus 1. How? 9 minus 10 equal to minus 1. Now solve. In this we only cross multiply, don't multiply, we have cross solve the number. That is 12 minus 1 or 9 plus 2. 12 minus 1 is also 11 and 9 plus 2 is also 11. Whatever we want, we will write here. We will write 12 minus 1 and now multiply the deviation with each other. That is plus 2 multiplied by minus 1. Plus 2 multiplied by minus 1. In this condition, here we get 11 and here plus, whenever we multiply positive number with negative number, we always get the negative number. That means plus 2 multiplied by minus 1. That is 2 multiplied by 1, 2, and we get negative. In this situation, here we only want that the number will be positive. To make it positive, we subtract 1 from the number here. This becomes 11 minus 1, that is 10, and this becomes 10 minus 2 because minus 1 is equal to base minus this number is 10 minus 2. That becomes 1, 0 and 8. This is your answer. Okay, come to next question. Here next question is 15 multiplied by, base is same, base is equal to 10. Now 15 and 12. How we write the deviation? Deviation of 15 is plus 5 and deviation of 12 is plus 2. Now cross solve 15 plus 2 or 12 plus 15. We get the same 15 plus 2, and in this part we multiply the deviation. Now multiply 5 multiply, that is plus 5 multiply by plus 2. Now 15 plus 2 equal to 17, and plus 5 multiply by 2, that is both number are positive, then result is also positive. 5 multiply by 2, that is 10. In this situation, if base is 10, then we will write only single digit and the other digit will add here. This becomes 17 plus 1, 0. This becomes 18 and 0. This is your answer. Now next question. Next question is 13 multiplied by 10. Base is same. That is, now write the numbers 13 and 17. Deviation of 13 is plus 3 and deviation of 17 is plus 7. Now cross solve 13 plus 7. Okay, 13 plus 7, and this becomes plus 3. Deviation is plus 3 multiply by plus 7. Now 13 plus 7 is 20, and 7 3s are 21. Now here is also 2 digit, but we want that here is only single digit. Now the second digit will add here. We write 20 plus 2 and 1. This becomes 22 and 1. This is your answer. Okay. Now the next question is 8 multiplied by 9. 8 multiplied by 9. How we solve this? The base is same 10. Write the numbers 8 and 9. Deviation of 8 is minus 2. Deviation of 9 is minus 1. Now cross solve 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1, and multiplication of deviation. Multiplication of deviation. 8 minus 1 is 7. Remember one thing also, that when both number are negative and they are multiplied in each other, then the resultant will be positive. That means the result will be of plus sign. This becomes minus 2 and minus 1. Both are negative, and the result is 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. Answer is 72. Now, okay, clear? And the next one is 14 multiplied by, here base is 10, here base is 10. Base is 10. Write the numbers. Write the number 14 and 11. Deviation of 14 is plus 4. Deviation of 11 is plus 1. Now solve, cross solve 14 plus 1, 14 plus 1, or write the deviation and multiply them. Both are positive, then the resultant of deviation will be positive. This becomes 15, and 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4. This becomes 154. 154. Okay. The next question is 9 multiplied by 16. Base is 10. Now write the numbers 9 and 16. Deviation of 9 is -1. Deviation of 16 is +6. Now cross solve. 9 plus 6 equal to 15, or 16 minus 1 equal to 15. Whatever you want to write, you can write it here. 9 plus 6 and -1 multiply by +6. In this, both the numbers are of opposite sign. In the deviation, both numbers are of opposite sign. This becomes negative and this is positive. Now, when we multiply positive number with negative number, we always get negative number. This becomes 9 plus 6 equal to 15, and this is -6. Here negative number will not come. To make it positive, we subtract -1 from this number, and this becomes 14, and base is 10 minus 6, and the resultant is 144. And your answer is 1. Okay, next one. Here base is 10. Write the number 12 and 13. Deviation of 12 is +2. Deviation of 13 is +3. Okay. Okay. Now plus 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3. Multiplication of deviation. +2 multiply by +3. Okay. This becomes 15, and this becomes, both are positive, then multiplication of both number is positive. 2 multiply by 3, that is 6. Answer is 156. 156. Okay. And the last one is 13 multiplied by 10. Here base is 10. In this question, only one important thing is that the number is equal to base. In this condition, deviation is, now write the numbers 13 and 10. Deviation of 13 is +3, and deviation of 10 is 0. How we find deviation of 10? That is number minus base. Number minus base. Number is 10 and base is also 10. Then deviation is equal to 0. Now 13 plus 0 or 10 plus 3, both are equal. Whatever you want to write, you can write it here. Now multiplication of deviations. If we multiply any number with 0, if we multiply any number with 0, we get 0. This becomes 13 and this becomes 0, and your answer is 130. Okay, I hope you understood all. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, bye bye.